Flipping houses has long been one of the most lucrative strategies in real estate investing, offering substantial profits for those who do it right. However, success in house flipping requires a combination of skill, market knowledge, and a methodical approach. Here's a step-by-step guide designed for Americans who want to dive into this exciting field with confidence. Step 1. Educate yourself and build a network before investing a dime. It's critical to educate yourself about the house flipping process. Successful investors rely on strong networks and industry knowledge. Key actions. Study market trends. Use platforms like Zillow and Redfin to understand pricing and demand. Join real estate groups. Attend local meetups or join online forums like Bigger Pockets to connect with experienced flippers and contractors. Learn from experts. Read books such as The Book on Flipping Houses by J. Scott. Pro tip. Build relationships with real estate agents, contractors, and lenders who specialize in flipping. Step 2. Find the right property. The golden rule of flipping is, you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. Finding undervalued properties is crucial. Strategies for finding deals. Foreclosures and auctions. Look for bank-owned properties or attend foreclosure auctions. Distressed homes. Target properties that need cosmetic or structural improvements. Off-market deals. Work with wholesalers who specialize in identifying undervalued homes. Tools to use. PropStream, for locating off-market deals and analyzing potential properties. Realtor.com, to filter distressed or fixer-upper properties. Step 3. Analyze potential profitability. Not every deal is worth pursuing. Use the 70% rule to evaluate profitability. Maximum purchase price equals, after repair value times 0.7, minus repair costs. Example. If a house will sell for $300,000 after repairs, and repairs will cost $50,000, max purchase price equals, 300,000 times 0.7, minus 50,000 equals 160,000. This ensures a safe margin to cover unexpected expenses and profit. Step 4. Secure financing. House flipping often requires quick access to capital. Explore financing options tailored for flipping projects. Common financing methods. Hard money loans. Short-term loans with higher interest rates but quick approvals. Private lenders. Friends or family willing to invest for a return. Cash purchases. Ideal if you have the liquidity, as it avoids loan interest. Pro tip. Always have a contingency fund of at least 10 to 15% of your renovation budget. Step 5. Renovate strategically. Renovations should focus on maximizing resale value while keeping costs under control. Prioritize high ROI improvements like kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal. Budget-friendly upgrades. Paint and flooring. Fresh paint and new flooring can dramatically improve a home's appearance. Energy efficiency. Install energy-efficient windows or appliances to appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Landscaping. Simple lawn improvements can significantly enhance curb appeal. Avoid over-renovating. Stick to improvements that align with neighborhood standards to avoid overspending. Step 6. Market and sell. Once renovations are complete, it's time to list the property and attract buyers. Tips for selling fast. Stage the home. Professionally staged homes sell faster and for more money. Hire a skilled agent. Work with an agent experienced in flipping to market the property effectively. Set the right price. Price competitively based on local comps, comparable properties. Flipping houses isn't just about profit, it's about transforming lives, including your own. By revitalizing homes and neighborhoods, you're contributing to the community while building wealth. Remember, every successful house flipper started with one property, one risk, and one dream. The real estate market in 2024 is ripe with opportunities, especially for those who are prepared to act. Start small, learn from each project, and before you know it, you'll have a portfolio and a profit that reflects your hard work and determination.